Can I borrow your eraser? Mine's almost gone.
Of course. Go ahead and use it.
Can I borrow a pencil? Mine just broke.
Of course. Pick whichever you like.
Wow, your stationery is so cute. I'm so jealous.
I'm jealous of you. Look, this is your grade, and this is mine. Hey, can I borrow your eraser?
Yeah, but you can only get it after I cast the spell.
Oh, come on. I've heard it in there. What? Why nothing? I clearly heard it.
Now I'm gonna work my magic on it.
Oh, God. Is this really magic?
Look at my rare Twilight Sparkle eraser.
It's so small. Definitely a bootleg.
Okay, you got me. Here, this one's the real deal.
Let me see. Nope. Yours doesn't even light up. Check mine out. This is the real deal.
Oh.
Mom, I won this pencil case. It looks so cool.
Got it.
Mom, this highlighter can be stacked.
Not a big deal.
Can't you just buy it for me?
Then can't you just get an A for me?
You have 6 erasers in your pencil case.
Okay,
1 broken.
yeah,
2 borrowed me.
okay.
2 missing.
2 missing.
Then how many erasers are left?
I know, 1.
Wrong.
Huh?
Okay, listen again.
Morning, Lisa.
Wait, you didn't bring your backpack?
Nah, I don't need it anymore. Check this out. I got this huge new pencil case. This layer has pencils, gel pens, highlighters, and a ruler. This one's got correction tape, an eraser, and scissors. And this, notebooks.
But did you bring the homework?
What homework?
Hey, good morning.
Where's your backpack?
This is my backpack.
Nani?
Look, my eraser, my notebook, my pen and ruler, correction tape and glue. I even brought scissors.
Wow, that bag fits a lot. But where's your homework? Hey, art teacher, are you good for math?
Of course.
Okay, test. 2 times 5 is?
10,
3 times 5 is?
15,
4 times 5 is?
20.
Oh, thank you
Thank you. For what?
for doing my homework.
Mom always says I don't study hard.
Let me check your pencil case. Lollipop?
Mom, eraser.
Well. Toy?
Mom, eraser.
Do you have any normal eraser?
Sure.
I mean normal eraser.
This is my normal eraser.
Yo fam, check this out.
What's this?
It's a magic box eraser. Like, it's legit insane.
Sounds cap. It's just an empty plastic box.
Nah, no cat. Look closer. And the other side.
Wow, lit.
Teacher, she's cheating. Look, the cheat sheet.
Who said I'm cheating? I didn't.
The cheat sheet is in this box.
Really? There's nothing inside.
What? No way. I saw you put it in. Can I borrow your pen?
Sure. Can I borrow your eraser?
No. This is my favorite roller eraser.
How about this ruler?
No. That's my new folding ruler.
Why I borrow your pen, but you don't lend me anything? You're a cheapskate. Back to me.
This one give you. This one give you too. This one still give you.
Hey, why you give me these? That's unusual.
Can you give me that? I gave you so much.
You wish. This is my new Kuromi. It's an eraser. Also a pencil sharpener.
Just once, please.
My followers, should I give her?
Where's my eraser?
Take mine.
I lost my eraser again.
Take it easy. Pick one.
Oh no, I can't find my eraser.
Why do you always lose erasers? I gave you a lot of them.
I'm sorry, your eraser is super cute. I really want it.
You should have told me earlier. I have more.
Wow, thank you, my bestie.
Can I borrow your pencil sharpener?
Sure.
Can I borrow your eraser?
Okay.
Pencil.
Give you.
Ruler.
Wait a minute.
Your pencil case is amazing, but what's this button?
Wait.
Who?
Hey, Pookie, give you a scissors.
Thank you, but I have.
Honey, you don't say that. I know it's just plastic.
What? No, this is safety scissors. Look. It has a safer blade to prevent accidental injuries.
Wow, lit.
I would be your desk mate.
Why?
You're so dirty. Look your desk. So much eraser crumbs.
But all eraser have many crumbs.
No, my eraser not. It's easy to clean and less crumbs.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, and it has many cute patterns.
What's wrong?
My mom said if I can wrote 5 words that end of "ite," she will buy me Kuromi stationery. But I can't think of more than 3.
Let me see. Light, right, fight, night. Sorry, I can't do. My followers, please help us.
Things we all drew as kids. 1. The sun must be drawn in the corner. 2. Draw the grass really spiky and only blocking with green marker. 3. Draw guys as stick figures with 3 pieces of hair and smiley face. Also, a girl's dress must be a triangle. Is that you?
Lisa, we're done.
What? Why?
Your pencil, notebook, pencil case, all of these I gave you, but I can't even borrow your eraser.
Because this one is hidden edition of this blind box. I won't use it.
What about this one?
No.
Hey mom, look my test this time.
Woo, good job.
The stationery you promised.
Okay, wait, did you add the 0 yourself?
No,
I asked you again.
no, I swear.
One last time.
I really didn't add 0.
Okay, give you.
I add 9.
What?